Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use spot removal in RawTherapee. So as you can see here on this picture, these ugly spots which we need to eliminate, remove. So how we will do that? Pretty simple. Locate the tool first. So let's go to the detail tab. So we just need to find it. Exposure detail here. Now we will find the spot removal, the first one right over here, just like that. Now we need to enable the model, so click the power button icon to turn the tool on. So right here next to it, now it's on. As you can see, you can also see here spot removal is now enabled. And what we can do now, the full spot size, so we can make a little bit bigger here, this one. And just like that, now I will show you how you do that. Now when you set up, now you see that it's pretty much gone. And right here we have another spot. So when you set your spot size, you will see here this icon which you click on it. Now you can go and select this one here. So this one will be the second one. Oh, come on. We need just to select it. So press Ctrl and left click to select it, and now hold the Ctrl to move it right here, and just like that we will remove the spot. As you can see, basically we remove this spot right here. So I have here in the corner more of them to show you. So let's go here at the top right corner, click on it. Now Ctrl. So I will select all of them here, 3 of them, and now I can hold Ctrl again, just like that. Click on that one, Ctrl, move it right here, and this one here, just like that. Basically, you do this just with the Ctrl and the left button on your mouse, and then you just remove the spots on your picture. So this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.